Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix white space or gap or padding on right or left side in mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in mobile layout and when we scroll down you see space or gap on left side. So we are going to fix it on mobile layout. Now go to Elementor page and we are going to open site setting. Now you see site setting, so click on it. So we are in site setting and then you see setting. Again you see layout, so click on it. Now you see container padding. Go to mobile layout. Now you see mobile portrait, so click on it. Now you see 20px left and then you see set the default space inside the container. Default is 10px. So we are going to remove it and we are going to use default 10px. Now you see, if you want you can add container padding for mobile layout according to your requirement and then click on save changes and then you see your changes has been updated. Now go to website. So we are in mobile layout. Now refresh the page and then you see mobile layout. You see 10px default padding for mobile layout. Now scroll down. Now you see our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.